boys and girls, Mr. D. In this video we're going to be taking a look at how to use the formula for simple interest to solve some problems. So if you take a look over here at our simple interest formula, it's I equals PRT. So let's take a moment and write this down. I equals PRT. I is the amount of interest that we're going to earn. We like a lot of interest. That's good. That's money we're making. Okay. P is the principal, or what we've started with. Right. So if I say, hey, I invested $100, $100 would be my principal. Rate is our interest rate. Our interest rate percentage. This is usually given as a percentage. Again, for those of us looking to make money, the higher the interest rate, the better it would be. As far as earning money, if we have to pay somebody back, we want a lower interest rate. If we're taking a loan or something. And then T is the time, and it's going to be in years in this case. Okay, so take a second, make sure we got all that down. And if you need to pause the video, you can pause the video, and I'm going to move on to the next slide. Okay, so here we go, our example 1. Please copy this example down. Again, if you need to pause the video, now is a great time to press pause while you copy it. Example 1, if you deposit $800 in a savings account that earns simple interest at a rate of 1.5% per year, how much interest will you have earned after 5 years? Okay, so there's our formula, I equals PRT. We just plug in. We're looking for interest. How much interest will you have earned? So that's what we're looking for here. Principal, our P is $800. Our rate, 1.5%. Again, I can put that into a decimal by moving it 2 places. Okay, so 1, 2 creates 0.015 right here, and 5 years. When we go to solve this, I can do this in any order I want. I can do 800 times 0.015. I could do it times 5, etc. Which properties allows me to do that, to multiply them in any order that I want? If you know which property, shout it out right now. Shout it out at home if you're watching a video. And have your parents look at you kind of funny. So if you shouted out the commutative property, hooray, yeah, you're so smart. Commutative property of multiplication. Okay, let's take a look back here. Let's finish solving this problem. So me personally, I'm going to do 800 times 5. I know 8 times 5 is 40. Now I'll bring these 2 zeros down with me along for the ride. Times 0.015. Okay, so 4,000 times 0.015 is what we're going to be doing. Let's take a look at it right up here. I forgot that right there. So we can do that right over here. We'll put it right up here. 4,000 0.015. All right. 5 times all these zeros is 0, 0, 0. 5 times 4 is 20. For 0 to hold my spot, 1 times 4,000 will be 4,000. So 3 zeros, 1, 2, 3. Be careful. Make sure everything's lining up. Again, that's where a lot of you guys are running into problems when you're long division and multiplication. You're not lining things up carefully enough. 0 times 4,000 is going to be 0. So this whole line would be 0. So we're good right here. Add down 0, 0, 0, 0. 2 plus 4 is 6. We have 3 decimal places. So right there. So 60. So my interest is going to be $60. So I've earned $60 in 5 years. Again, notice 1.5% per year, not a great rate. We only pick up $60 extra off $800. We got to find a better investment than that. All right, but that's how you would solve it. Hopefully that helps you guys. And we'll do some more work on this in class.